Welcome to MST Blockchain Portal. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to create your account and complete your KYC verification securely and quickly. First, tap the link provided in the description below to get started. Please enter your mobile number to get the OTP. Enter the OTP you received to verify your account. Click on the Submit button to proceed to the next step. Now enter your Aadhaar card number. Then click on the OTP button to receive your verification code. Now enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number to verify your account. Click on the Submit button to complete the process. All your details have been auto-filled directly from your Aadhaar card. Enter your email address here to continue. Now click on the OTP button to receive the OTP on your email. Enter the OTP sent to your email address. Click on the Submit button to complete the process. Now create a secure password for your account. Tick the box to accept the terms and conditions, then click on the Register button. Congratulations, your account is registered. Now complete your KYC to continue. Registration complete. Now let's move ahead and finish your KYC verification. Enter your Aadhaar number to continue your verification. Now enter your PAN card number for verification. Now click on the Submit button to proceed. Congratulations, your KYC is successfully completed.